Hello and welcome everyone. Today we will discuss something that we have never covered before, and that is applying decal paper on plaster. The one that we will make today will be very different from a typical plaster, as it will be made of dry flour, oil paint and tiny props. I've already mentioned this on my previous videos, but what I really like about the decal papers is its flexibility. You can pretty much make anything that requires skills and images with fancy designs if you have the decal papers. So without further ado, let's begin. First you will need the following materials: water, plaster powder, plaster mold, and time. Create your plasters and apply the decal once the plaster is completely dry. Measure the size of the plaster and edit the size of the image so that it will fit into the plaster. Cut out the printed image. Soak in water. Immerse the piece of decal in water for 30 seconds. Wait until the film starts to loosen. Coating. Spray an even coat of varnish on the surface. Usually, plasters can be tricky to work with because how it crumbles so easily. That's why the coating stabilizes the plaster and makes it easier for decal transfer. Then you want to repeat the drying process and just make sure it completely dries. Apply the glue W2 where the decal will be applied. Mount the decal and scrape off water with a squeegee. Dry the product again. If you just want to let it dry naturally, it will take roughly 3 to 4 hours, or you can step up the process with a hairdryer. Finished. And there's your final result. If you decided not to remove the film, like I said before, it's perfectly fine because you will notice here that you can hardly notice its presence on the plaster. So that's it for today, guys. Please write down a comment below if you have any other DIY suggestions. Next time, we would like to use your idea for the video. Thanks once again. See you next time.